Hello, everybody. Paul Dahmen here. Today, I will create a synthesizer sound, and thing is, I combination hardware synthesizer with software synthesizer together. And I have two hardware synthesizers from a Canadian company. Um, this is Meeblip, and sometimes when I will make a special synthesizer sounds, I make a combination with software synthesizer. So I use them from Arturia Mini V3 or other plugin types, or Retrologue from Cubase or Bacille or any anybody else. So, okay, I have here load my hardware synthesizers. I have two now. Before I had one, the Anode Meeblip. He's very small and compact, and the Genode the same. And yeah, we are start now. The first, we have to create a little bit the sound. So I will see. I think it's better I go a little bit in the bass, more of the left side, so for the bass. Okay, I think this is not bad sound. I think we use it. So now we go to the second one. I think this is good enough too. And maybe for the last Synthi, I think I use a preset I have loaded. Okay, this is cool. I think this is not bad. Yeah, we use it. Okay, so now we have the synthesizer set up. So, and then I play now a small bass line. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, this is very easy, very simple, but that's fine. So the first one we have to do check if the stuff is in the place. Okay, this is good. That's fine. Okay. So now we can make 3 copies from this one, and maybe 2 is enough. And put this to the other synthesizers. And now we go to the separate line. And the last one. Okay. First listen. This is not bad, and it's a good start, but we can do more. And now we go to the cool feature from Cubase. This is note expression. This is a very cool feature, and yeah, we can see what we can do. Maybe so for this one we can use the small editor. Okay, here. And then you have here your settings, your balance. Alles gut. And then we go here to the next one, and we can use the pit bend, or we can use the modulation. Make a little bit bigger. So. This is cool. And here we go now to the last one, and we make here a pitch bend. That's great. Yes. First we are listen. See, you can do with little things a big challenge. And then what we can do is, so we put this in the last one or in the first one. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I use a pattern for this one. This is cool. Okay, this was good. This is cool too. Okay. First we are listen. And here we are. Yeah. So this is a technique, a layer technique. So you can do this with all instruments. So mit also percussion instruments, with string instruments, synthesizers, all kinds of instruments you can layer that. So that means you make it double, or you create a little phrase. Difficult. I hope this is right what I'm talking. And yeah, this is all for now. And thank you so much for watching, and take care.